Hey guys, it's Xbox Gamer here, and today I'm going to show you how to play your Xbox 360 through your Xbox One in a few quick steps. It won't take very long. So here, you can see I am on my Xbox One. Right. Okay, so there's that quick, just to prove I'm on my Xbox One. First thing you want to do is, first thing you'll realize is that if you have you'll need HDMI cable for your Xbox 360. Is one thing you will need for this. If you do not have that, it will not work. So what you're going to need to do is, here, I'll show you quick. If you go, I am on my 360 here on my other source. So what you want to do is go back to that, and what you want to do is unplug the HDMI for your 360 right here. And next thing you want to do is come down to your Xbox One, and it'll be with you in a sec when I'm ready. Okay guys, I'm back. What you want to do is take your 360 cord, and what you want to do is plug it into the TV satellite slot on the back of your Xbox One. And there, see, I have it plugged in there. And just gonna move it back. What you now will see is that if I go and press snap, and if I press go to TV, it will, and then you press full screen, and it should, there you go, proof that it is on the Xbox One. There you go. And now look, my controller. So yeah, just a quick simple tip. See you in the next video.